Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you are on Google Chrome, well, there was an update. And if you notice the update, there isn't any security things in there. It is a update purely for bugs and performance. Once again, I've been looking at the blog post for it, and it seems to be mostly internal little feed things here and there that have been fixed or weren't working the way they wanted. No big major bug, but and when you look at the people that are posting their problems, there's no real bigger problem than usual. There's, on every software, when you look at blog posts of people, there's always a certain number of people that have problems, and nothing's changed. There's no more problems or less problems. It's pretty much like I call it, the background noise of what's happening with the different operating systems and software. So anyways, if you go to your Google Chrome browser, upper right corner, 3 vertical dots, go into Help and About Google Chrome, you'll be moved to version 111.0.5563.147 or 146, depending on your setup. And this is for Mac OS, Linux, and for Windows. And it fixes various things. Quite a big jump from the number that it was in the last part of the number to 147. So I guess a lot of little bugs here and there that we're actually fixing here. It's interesting to also see that I was expecting maybe it could be security updates. We've usually had last year, most of the time, some security updates in between new versions. And it's interesting to see that now it's not the case. But then again, version 111 came out with more than 40 security flaws. So I don't know if they're keeping them for, big updates like new versions. But it's interesting to note that it's mostly bug fixes right now for the updates that they release. So nothing really special. If you have issues, if you had something weird, well, maybe this is going to fix it. And for the rest, well, you can leave it alone. And anyways, it will update itself if you're a Google Chrome user. Once again, the version number 111.0.5563.146 or 17, depending on what you're using. We should probably have, I would guess, the next version of Google Chrome, version 112, sometime next week, as I think it's shifted 1 week apart from the patch Tuesday now. So it's going to be interesting to see if, what's in there, especially in the security updates. So bug fixes, nothing more. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching my videos.